Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we share with you a natural remedy to keep your body healthy. My channel will regularly share natural remedy recipes. You are welcome to subscribe. First you need to prepare 10 bay leaves. The laurel leaf has strong antibacterial properties. In addition to its proven effect in regulating blood sugar, bay leaf, it also has a protective effect on the liver and helps prevent liver disease. Today's second ingredient is 6 wild rose hips. Regular consumption of wild rose hips can nourish the kidneys and benefit the essence. In addition to protecting the liver and preventing liver disease, wild rose hips, the anthocyanins and flavonoids in them also help regulate high blood pressure. Wild rose hips contain blood-activating components such as brassinin and flavonoids that it can promote blood circulation. Add 250 milliliters of water. Very happy to meet friends from all over the world here. Your likes and comments are the motivation for me to make more videos. Now it needs to be cooked. Boil and then cook on low heat for 15 minutes. Food therapy is a method of healthcare that uses the nutritional content of food to regulate the body and prevent disease. Let it cool, and let's go prepare the rest of the ingredients. Next, you need to prepare a lemon and squeeze the juice. Lemon is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C and other nutrients. These components have strong antioxidant properties and can effectively scavenge free radicals in the body and reduce cellular oxidative stress. This prevents many diseases, including cancer. What country are you watching my video in? Can you tell me in the comments section? Add lemon juice. Now you also need to add the right amount of honey. Always choose pure honey. Don't add honey if your blood sugar is high. The antioxidant substances in honey protect the cardiovascular system. Regular consumption of honey can improve the body's immune system and prevent many diseases. Daily consumption as tea. Stick with it for a while and you will feel the effect. Consult your doctor before taking and note all contraindications.